Hi, this is Kerry. I wanted to redo the video that I put out previously. All the instructions weren't visible. I've wanted to put this on the internet as an Excel file, but can't seem to make that work. So anyway, I thought I'd redo this, showing the instructions a little bit better. Anyway, on the LG G-Pad 7.0 V410, I couldn't find any other videos out there at the time for replacing this, so I kind of put this work instruction together to show how to do it. To begin with, power off the phone, remove the SIM card, which is located in the top of the screen here, just above the LG logo. From there, you take your heat gun and heat around the edges of the screen good, and then you can slide your metal pry tool underneath the edge of the glass and lift it to loosen the glue as you work around the top and down the sides. There's a couple areas on back here where there's glue, so you may need to heat those areas as well. But as you work around top and sides of the screen, you'll need to pivot on the bottom portion. There's a connector down at the bottom here, which is pretty difficult to remove. Once you get your top and sides loosened, you can pivot on the bottom, reach in with your pry tool and disconnect that connector. Be careful not to tear the ribbon cable as you do so. If you need more heat as you go ahead and apply that. I like to reuse the existing adhesive. Seems to hold sometimes better than the new stuff, so at that point I'll clean all the glass fragments from around the edges of the adhesive and make sure that's all cleaned up and ready to go. This repair would be quick and easy if you're able to get in and make this connection, but it's about impossible to remake that connection without taking the motherboard apart. So the next thing you have to do is use your metal pry tool and start working around the edges of the motherboard and the bottom housing. There's little connectors in there that you have to use your pry tool to unsnap those. Work around the edges till you get those all loosened up, and then your motherboard will lift out from the bottom housing assembly. From there, once your adhesive's ready to go, and if you do need to apply new adhesive, do it at this point. Make sure you don't cover your camera lens, but once you get your adhesive all ready to go, you need to carefully align the new screen with the housing. Slip your ribbon cable through, align things up, press it down to make sure everything's sealed well, and then you can turn it over and make your connection on the back here. You'll want to put a piece of tape on to secure that with. Once that's done, you can insert this assembly back into the bottom housing assembly. And again, if you've lined everything properly, it should snap right into place easily, and everything will be good at that point. From there, once you've got it all snapped together and secured well, you just need to put your SIM card back in, power it up, test it, and you should be good to go. Thank you.